welcome back to my channel Pretty Little Unity. My name is Ekta and I'm all about healthy and comfort food in this quarantine. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my favorites grab and go breakfast recipes, overnight oats. This easy overnight oatmeal is a healthy breakfast that you can make the night before for your busy mornings. These recipes are all high on proteins, healthy on fats and easy on carbs. Plus they are sugar-free and gluten-free. Simply a balanced breakfast oats. But before moving on, let me tell you a few things about overnight oats. These are simply old-fashioned oats and milk sitting together overnight in a refrigerator. Now these oats soak up some of the milk and softens up a bit while retaining their chewy texture. The beauty of the recipes I'm going to share with you today is that they all use the exact same base of oats and milk with a hint of vanilla. It is so delicious and will take less than 5 minutes of your prep time. This recipe is really easy and will last for around 3 to 4 days in your fridge. So today I'll show you my 4 flavor combos and one super delicious cheat flavor. You can take inspiration and use the same flavors, or you can go with whichever fruit you like. That's totally fine. I'm a big fan of fruits, so you will see that I have made all my recipes with different fruits. The type of oats you choose is completely up to you. If you like sweet nutty taste and chewy consistency, try steel cut oats. If you prefer your oats to be creamy and smooth, then instant oats are your game. For me, time is definitely a factor to consider. So instant oat make a perfectly suitable healthy breakfast. Thank you guys so much for being here and I hope you like this video. For those who have already subscribed to my channel and loved my content, thank you for all your support. For those who are new here, please consider subscribing. I make lots of fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. Now to continue with our healthy morning routine, let's get started. Now this first overnight oats recipe has my all-time favorite mangoes. Mangoes are low on calories but they are full of nutrients. I just love to experiment my recipes with mangoes. Let's start with a mixing bowl and add half a banana to it. Give it a nice mash. Add half cup of oats and some shredded coconut. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I am using 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You can also use honey. Then add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt and half a cup of almond milk. Now mix it well all together. The consistency should be in between, not too thick nor too thin. Now add few yummy mangoes and mix it again. I'm using this cute little 8 ounces jar over here. You can use any airtight jar. Then fill the jar with this oats. Keep some space for expansion. And store it overnight in your fridge. And this is how it looks in the morning. So delicious. But something is missing. Let's add some fresh mangoes and a tablespoon of chia seeds for that extra crunch. This oatmeal jar is very filling and have many properties that should make it a weight loss friendly food. Oats and chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, whereas mangoes provide the daily dose of vitamin A, which is very essential for your immune system. Now I am using fresh blueberries for overnight oats. They are a superfood high in potassium as well as vitamin C. Now this follows a similar procedure. Take a mixing bowl. Add half cup oats, then some blueberries, 1.5 cup of chia seeds, half cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Now mix it. Then fill it in your jar. So simple, right guys? Then keep it overnight. And in the morning you get this beautiful jar of blueberry oatmeal. Top it up with some blueberries, some slivered almonds, and a pinch of cinnamon. Now it is ready to eat. This is an incredibly nutritious oatmeal. It is high in quality protein and very high in fiber. Having this oatmeal for breakfast will increase your satiety and reduce food intake in the short term. So guys, for my next recipe, I am using some succulent strawberries and some delicious pineapples. I am following the same drill that I used for my previous oatmeals. You can also tag along. I'm squeezing few drops of lemon to these strawberries to bring out the flavor and preserve the cut fruit overnight. Adding the shredded coconut to these pineapples gives them a complete tropical vibe. In the strawberry oatmeal, I'm adding some fresh ginger, which is really good for digestion. Plus, it pairs really well with strawberries and gives them smooth, rich flavor. Again, I am using here almond milk, but you can use soy milk, coconut milk, or even the regular whole milk. It's completely up to you. So guys, you know the drill here. Just go for it. Again, strawberries are full of vitamin A, antioxidants, and has high water content. Simply to say, they are one of the best superfoods. On this side, pineapples are loaded with nutrients. It has these enzymes that can ease digestion. Plus, they are sweet, convenient, and easy to add to your diet. Remember the cheat recipe that I mentioned before? So yeah, it's this heavenly rich dark chocolate. I don't think any sweet recipe is complete without some tempting chocolates in it. So guys, by now you almost know how it goes, but still let me quickly wrap it up for you. For this recipe, I'm using steel cut oats instead of instant oats. I'm just trying to balance chocolates with the overall nutrition of this recipe. Give it a mix. Add some walnuts. And finally, the blissful chocolates. Mix it all together. Fill the jar. And store it overnight in the fridge. Oh my goodness, this looks so delicious. In the end, top it up with some Greek yogurt and some fresh pieces of chocolates. This oatmeal is a powerful source of antioxidants and helps improve blood flow. Who said one cannot cheat a little even while following a healthy routine? And if you cheat with this recipe, you won't be guilty as charged. So go for it! So that's it. It's just that easy to make this 5 different variations of the overnight oats. I hope I tried to make your healthy living easy, fun and delicious with this nutrition packed recipe. All these recipes can gently be heated in the microwave before adding your toppings in the morning. Warm or cold, I think you're gonna love this healthy protein packed oatmeal. I can't wait for you to kick off your morning with these and try them. Definitely let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite, which one you are most excited to try, and if you do so, please let me know how they turn out. And as always, for more healthy content, please hit the like button and click subscribe. I just can't wait to see you guys again. Until next time, stay healthy, stay safe.